back to my channel, and this is your girl Janet, and guess what? Today we are going to do a makeup tutorial. Yes, since I haven't done a makeup tutorial for a while, like I'm saying. So since it's summer, you guys, it's very hot outside and you still want to look cute, today we are going to create a simple glowy makeup look, perfect for the beach, going out with friends, going out with friends, you know, hanging out with them, pool party. I think this look right here is gonna be perfect for you. And this lips, I love it, you know what I'm saying? So yes, you guys, we're gonna create this look and you might like it. So without further ado, let's get right into this. So for my moisturizer, I am using Boscia. Is that how you say that? Whatever. Boscia Boscia Cactus Water Hydrating Cream. So this is, you guys, I got this from my influencer Vox Bucks. So I got this for free, complimentary, so I can try the product. And y'all, this thing will hydrate the out of you, like I'm saying. And here in Atlanta, if it's summer, it's really hot. And this is what I need, you know. So after a moisturizer, we are going to moisturize our lips as well. I know, ang daming arte, I know, but you wanna look cute, you need to be arte, okay? Charot. So I'm going to use my Kiehl's lip balm. Now let's moisturize our lips while we're doing our makeup. I have a zit here, I have a acne scar here, you know. It's just so much going on my face right now, so ignore that. And now for my primer, I am using my Too Faced Hangover. I love this thing. If you don't have this, just use coconut. We're going to rub this in our face. After my hangover, I'm using my Lancome La Base Pro, and this is a Hydro Glow. And this primer will give you a right amount of glow. It hydrates you while you're glowing. So yeah, for my foundation, I am using my Estee Lauder Double Wear, and this is in the shade Toasty Toffee and Spice Up, this too. So I'm gonna mix these two together because why not? I'm just gonna buff this in my skin, hide those mga supa sa mukha. So we're going to buff this into our skin. So what I like about this foundation is not dewy, it's not matte, and it stays really good into my skin. A lot of people doesn't like this foundation, but for me, I've been using this foundation for a while now, and you know, it's still working really well on me. So you know, it depends on your skin. So it's my skin type. I am an oily combination, so I like the product that's not too dewy and not too matte. Okay, so you see that it's not matte, it's not dewy, just perfect. For my concealer, I am using my Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in shade medium. And when I do my concealer in summer, I don't put too much. What I do is just, you know, a little bit, and then here on the side. I'm going to set that with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I use Laura Mercier translucent powder a lot. So for my brows, I am using my Dip Brow Pomade, and this is in the shade medium brown. I miss doing this, like, you know, talking while doing my makeup. Oh, I just miss this. Okay. Since I have a hair color, I want to make sure that this brows is not too dark, so I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is a tinted brow gel, caramel. So let me just go ahead, do the other brows, and I'll be back for the rest of our face. Okay, that's it for our brows, and now let's move forward to our lids. So for my eyeshadow, I'm using my Too Faced Chocolate Bar, and this is the semi-sweet. I always use this in summertime. For my entire lids, I am using this color right here. This is a Coconut Creme, this one. And to save us some time, I'm going to do this eyes, and later I'm going to do this other eye as well. After a Coconut Creme, I am using I'm using a peanut butter right here. Using that as our transition. Just gonna blend that. So I think that's good for our transition, and now we are going to use color right here. This is the Bonbon, and I'm gonna use that here in my lids, and I'm using my MAC 242, so I'm using this. And now for my outer V, I am using this color right here. This is Deep Frosting, this one right here, and I am using my MAC 221. Yes, blend. Okay, so after that, let me just go ahead and do this other eyes, and I'll be back. Okay, so this eye right here is done. So now let's just go ahead and do this other one. So using my Tarte Lash Curler, this curler right here is really good. It's the bomb. For my mascara, I am using a Lancome Definicils and a Sills Booster from Lancome as well. So just like a primer for eyelashes. So now I'm going to use my Lancome Definicils. I love this. I'm using my Smashbox Always On Gel Liner, and this is the brown one. It's called Brood. I'm going to use this here in the bottom. And using the truffle, I'm going to smoke that out here in the bottom lashes. Okay, and let's do the other bottom lashes. So you know it's summer, I want to stay out as possible using falsies. Definicils mascara is really good and telescopic from L'Oreal. It's one of my favorite, which just happened. They came from one company, L'Oreal. So yeah, this is all for my eyes, and now let's move on to our face. So, ouch, that really hurts me. To set my foundation, I am using my MAC, and this is Studio Fix in NC43. I'm not gonna contour my face, but I'm just gonna use some bronzer from Milani, and this is a baked bronzer. It's one of my favorite bronzer besides the MAC. And of course, I'm going to contour my nose. Yes, because very small. Ating gamay sa ilong na. So, hairline, temple, and just in our big pancake face. And now let me contour my nose a little bit because my nose is very disappointed. So hear me out. Pagbigyan nyo na kasi ang liit-liit ng ilong. Back off that because it's too harsh. So now let's move on to our blush, and our blush is a Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, and who doesn't love this? Isn't that pretty? So blush that. Yes! For our highlighter, I am using my Bronze Goddess from Estee Lauder. It's called Heat Wave. Oh my god, it lets glow, you know? Pack! Sharog dili mabutas sa akong highlighter. And yes, that's it for our highlighter. So you know, kunti lang. Charot daw. Pagbigyan nyo na. So for my lipstick, I am using a Sweet Cream Matte, and this one here is from Jordana. And this lipstick is only $4, but it won't dry your lips. Like I'm saying, it's really good and it feels really light on the lip. And this shade is a Rose Macaron in 09. I like this. I love it. I love this lipstick. I really love it. You know what I'm saying? For $4, yes. I love the color. But anyways, guys, let me just go ahead and do my hair, and I'll be back. Hi, and I'm back, and this is our final look. You know, simple lang. You know. But the lipstick, though, I love this lipstick so much. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and if you like this video, please show me, please show me some love, give me some like, and do not forget to subscribe. And let's be friends, because why not? And I'll see you again. And stay gorgeous. Bye!
I just wanna dance.